Hello, door boys there, and check my rab slips, my weasel traps. I got a rat trap in there. I told them 2 days ago. Seen a few tracks in there, and that. Look what I got. Not a real big weasel, but it's a catch. Yes, sir. Button neck, perfect. Had grouse and all that there for bait. Had a bit put on the trigger. Sure enough, I got him. Yes, sir. Nothing wrong with that. Yes, boy. Nice looking weasel. Yes, sir. Not real big, but still money in my pocket when I get sent away. Yeah. So I got some more traps that check. I'm going that way down there. If I get anything else, I'll let you know. Stay tuned.